Is online stock trading right for you? The power of internet stocks. The internet has opened up a world of possibilities, from going shopping to education to monetary success, provided through a wire directly to our laptop computers and desktops. The web transformation has empowered small investors to inform themselves and to make financial gains in the arena of day trading and the internet stock exchange. Online trading has advanced the typical stockbroker into an entirely new realm. For others, online stock trading is a scary sea of the unidentified and an abyss of pitfalls. Luckily, with a little education and a little research, the average stock trader can choose whether online stocks are the right tools for success or if they are more comfortable sticking with conventional locations. If you are already involved in online stock trading, checking out that education is crucial. There is always room for improvement and always more rewarding endeavors. The benefits of internet stock trading. We currently know that the stock market is an unpredictable and unforgiving arena. Some people do very well in the stock exchange while others lose every penny they invest. What is the distinction between these two types of financiers? Some would state luck, and while luck does aspect into the image as a whole, it is a really low portion factor in stock financial investments. Online internet trading still allows a specific investor the capability to get and obtain a broker consultation, although many report that the brokers who rely on web clientele are not as customer service oriented as the conventional broker whose brick-and-mortar office is just a few miles away. Online brokers tend to provide most of their time and attention to the large accounts, while the smaller-sized accounts often fall by the wayside. The online stockbroker tends to have lower charges and commissions in return for their lack of availability. Conventional stockbrokers can receive orders online, however their commissions stay about the like calling them on the phone and traditionally dealing with them. There are some fundamental alternatives when it comes to buying or selling stocks online. Depending on the company you are utilizing, you might not receive the same rate that you observed on the stock ticker if too much time has gone by or the stock made a sudden boost or decline. This is not all that different from conventional stockbrokers. Nevertheless, there is the notion that anything online is rapid. Many companies, whether online or custom, will discuss these details when opening an account. The educated stock investor. It does not matter how excellent the company is, or how good you believe the online stock program you have discovered is believed to be. Absolutely nothing substitutes a solid education in managing your stock investments. The educated stock financier always has the advantage over those who position their monetary future into the hands of a broker. Mathematics, science, and English are essentials of our education as kids. Stock market investing is left as this looming adult subject that exceeds our knowledge base. The reality is that the fundamental key elements of stock trading are really rather basic, and there are resources out there to assist us comprehend the wealth of info we tend to discover intimidating. Among the very best resources out there on the internet today for the investor looking to educate him or herself about online stock trading is Online Trading Ideas. The charm of this site is the simple breakdown of info so that the brand new investor doesn't have to go into details overload and end up being overwhelmed with all there is to learn. The articles are helpful and cover the bottom lines of day trading with concise info in understandable styles. The stock market is a fluid entity. It is filled with modifications and differing methods depending on the current patterns. For a while, the stock market looked like a limitless cash cow. The trading days of the late 90s and the early 21st century were littered with thriving stocks that seemed to regularly increase off the charts. Those days are opted for now but may return. The very same technique one may have used then is not going to work in today's stock exchange. Making sense of the stock market news briefs, media tickers, and hot tips takes more than simply the basic eye for low figures and basic gains. Once again, that is where the informed financier can develop concrete investing and a strong strategy technique that can help him surf through the more unpredictable days of the stock market. Even the very best of web stock traders can lose money in the online stock market. When starting your trading career, it is always best to work out caution. Whether you are simply looking to make a little extra money for retirement, college tuition, or want to earn money from internet stock. With a little education and a little research, the average stock trader can decide whether online stocks are the right tools for success or if they are more comfortable sticking with standard locations. Depending on the company you are using, you might not receive the same price that you saw on the stock ticker if too much time has gone by or the stock made a sudden boost or reduction. It does not matter how great the firm is, or how great you think the online stock program you have found is thought to be, absolutely nothing substitutes a solid education in managing your stock financial investments. One of the best resources out there on the web today for the financier looking to inform him or herself about online stock trading is Online Trading Ideas. Even the finest of internet stock traders can lose money in the online stock market. Thank you for looking at my video. Ian Jackson.